In this video, you will learn how to set up your weighted total in Blackboard Ultra. Whether you're in the grid view or in the list view, go to the right-hand side by the To-Do button and locate the gear icon. Once you've located the gear icon, be sure to click on it, and once you do so, this panel will appear. What you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see overall grade, and specifically you're looking for the phrase set up overall grade. You can click on the phrase or the button, and when you do so, you will be brought to this page. Since you're creating a weighted total, you'll click the circle to the left of weighted, and then you'll click on next. Once you're in here, this is what your page will look like. Please note that you will need percentages for your categories or your items. Now, once you're ready to begin adding your percentages to your categories, what you're going to do is you're going to click in the box of your first category. You're going to delete what's there and type in the correct percentage. Once you do so, you're going to click on the lock to secure that change. Repeat that same step with the next category. So for example, I can type in my 40% for my test and I click the lock. Then for my next category, I type in my next percentage and then I type in my next percentage. Now, any category you are not using, we recommend clicking the circle with the line through it just to ensure that no calculation accidentally gets placed in that. And I apologize, not calculation, percentage accidentally gets placed in that category. Once you've assigned everything the category, you then want to locate where it says select how the overall grade is displayed, and you want to click in the box underneath. Now, this will determine how the calculation appears to both you and to the students. If you do not like that it's going to show up as a letter grade, be sure to change it to percentage, or you can leave it as letter. It does not matter. Once you've decided how you want the calculation to display, come down to the bottom and click on Save. You won't be exited out of the page, so what you need to do is you need to then click on the blue square with the X. It'll return you back to the panel, and you'll click on the blue square with the X again, and notice how you'll have an overall grade column or title if you're in the grid view. If you do notice, especially when you're in grid view, that you have some numbers running, that means you have scores and calculations running. If you notice that you don't see these scores in your overall grade column in the grid view, be sure to start scoring items and then you'll see those calculations end up here. Please, if you need any support, be sure to sign up for a gradebook consultation or reach out directly to us for more support. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.